Hey there, riders! Welcome to my channel. I'm Wild Rider, where we typically talk about motorcycle-related content. In this video, we're going to take a look at another video that's been floating around on the internet. Well, let's just get into it, shall we?
Did not see us coming, alright? No, you! Hey, my
Gotcha.
Hey, you!
Gotcha.
Our kid is what?
Gotcha.
Yeah, got us doing what? You guys did not us doing what, you piece of You guys did not see us.
I got it all on video. I got you all on video. What's wrong with you?
So you're a big guy, dude, behind the wheel of a car, especially with motorcyclists. Why don't you pull over in the parking lot?
This is the weird part, because you cut me off.
No, we didn't cut
and then
you off, actually.
You kept brake checking me.
No, I wasn't. Actually, I was just slowing down.
Okay.
Just kind of waiting for my buddy, because he's on the side of you.
You see this?
Right.
You see this, right?
But you're also honking the horn right up our ass.
No, you brake checked me.
And
no, I didn't, actually.
You guys were not looking behind you.
Okay.
You weren't.
You realize I can't move with your body in the way, right? You realize I'm over. You realize... Over there! I'm trying to pull over! Over there!
Now, these type of videos I see out there give bikers a bad name. The level of immaturity being used by the one gal here. Then you also see that the one guy inside the flannel shirt there, making it all sound like it's the four-wheeler's fault, when it was actually his own fault doing that, because he was constantly brake checking, and pretty much damages that sustained to his motorcycle were brought on by his own fault. This video's been making its rounds. I've seen it on Facebook several times in their Facebook videos. I've seen it on different organizations using the video. Recently, I've been watching the program Road Wars, and this video made it on there, as I was expecting it to do so. And come to find out that when the police were called, so when the police did show up, they reviewed the video footage, asked the Jeep driver if he wanted to press any charges against the motorcyclist for what they did, and he chose not to. Situations like this can be handled better when you're riding your bike or just driving your car. The point of this is always be mindful of your surroundings. Anticipate just about every scenario, whether you're riding your bike or driving your car. As they teach us in Driver's Ed on Day 1, drive defensively. Don't drive offensively. Anticipate and be a good judge of character in traffic situations. That's pretty much my point of video. I want to know what your guys' opinion is of this. Who you might think might be at fault, or how you would handle a situation like this. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I enjoyed making it for you. Go ahead and click that like button, and as always, subscribe. I really do appreciate you all watching my video, and as always, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next ride.